Alright, so on part A, they want me to find f plus g of 2. F plus g of 2 is the same thing as f of 2 plus g of 2. Alright, so we want to find f of 2. Keep in mind that f of x, we can keep in mind that f of x is equal to y. So when we're being asked to find f of 2, it's basically saying if x equals 2, then what's the y coordinate? Right, so if x equals 2, then what's the y coordinate? Now, over here on the graph, we have two functions, f of x and g of x. F of x is the blue one. So let's see if we look at the blue function, if x equals 2, then it looks like the y coordinate, the accompanying y coordinate is 4 right there. If x equals 2, then the corresponding y coordinate is 4. So f of 2 is 4. Now we do the same thing on the g function. On the g function, if x is equal to 2, then the associated y coordinate is negative 2. And of course, 4 plus negative 2 is 2. So the answer to part A is 2. All right, part B wants us to figure out f minus g of 1. So that would be equivalent to f of 1 minus g of 1. And in order to find f of 1, what goes in my mind is if x equals 1, then what's the y coordinate? I want to make sure I look at the f function. So if x is equal to 1, the y coordinate is 1. If x is equal to 1, then the y coordinate is 1. So f of 1 is 1. And g of 1 looks like it's, g of 1 looks like it's negative 3. On the g function, if x equals 1, the associated y coordinate is negative 3. So f of 1 is 1, g of 1 is negative 3, and we have 1 minus negative 3. That's actually 1 plus 3. And so 4 is the answer to part B. On part C, they would like me to find f times g of 0. F times g of 0. That's the same thing as f of 0 times g of 0. And if I go ahead and look at part D wants us to do f divided by g of 1, which would be f of 1 divided by g of 1. And we actually already know what f of 1 and g of 1 are from part B. F of 1 was 1, and g of 1 was negative 3. So negative 1/3 appears to be the answer to part D. And so I need to finish part C. F of 0. On the f function, if x is equal to 0, it looks like the y coordinate is 0. I see that the origin 0, 0 right there. So f of 0 is 0. And g of 0, on the g function, if x is equal to 0, the y coordinate is negative 4. And 0 times negative 4, we get 0.